EUROTO Intelligent Toilet. Soft night light automatically turned off during the day and turned on at night. Enjoy your life. Automatic seat when you are near. Kick to open cover by foot infrared sensor. Multiple user-friendly functions provide maximum comfort. Adjustable seat temperature for the winter months. Metal nozzle with 2 kinds of wash and massage. Instantaneous water heating. Moves forward and backward to clean. Warm air drying. No need for the toilet paper. Reserve battery in case of power blackout. Strong automatic flush after leaving the seat. Luxury smart toilet EUT 3858 is perfect for the family.